Feel that back, and then just scrunch it a little more, and that's good. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I just want to show you how do I wear my hair curly. Now I do have extensions in. I'll just show you. They're tape-ins, and you match your hair, and then you could put them in so it could look like your own hair, which I love. And my hair is, it's like that length. So this just gives it a little extra, and it gives it more fullness. So I want to show you how do I blow dry it. I'm going to blow dry this top. So I'm going to use full form mousse just for the top. And then I'm going to use Formula 18 on everything. Okay. Spray it all really good. Spray that top, get it all in there. Get your blonde. If you're a blonde or you have color in your hair, you really want to get that pH balance in there. See, Formula 18, this has pH balance. Now, it's 3.5, 4.5, but when we color hair, it literally goes to like a 9 or a 10 because it blows up that cuticle and it kind of takes the pH out of your hair when you color it. So you got to put it back in. Okay, so I got that. And I'm going to be doing two different things. Now, listen, I want time. I need to save my time. I'm busy. I have a full book all day. So I need to get ready quickly. And I love when I have extensions because they're Donna Bella. They have a little wave in them. See that pretty wave? I use this curl cream. It's called Curl Building Serum by Davines. These are both Davines products. And so I'm gonna show you. This is just gonna be for my top only. I'm not gonna put it everywhere else because I really want the curl cream to be everywhere else. Now this is gonna be my top that I'm gonna blow out. All right, just get that in there. Now, I'm gonna do the rest with Curl Building Serum. That is gonna be one side. And I'm gonna get it even where the top was. Get it in there, get it. You gotta really scrunch it in there. Scrunch. I love scrunches. All right, here's another one. Okay, and listen, when you woke up this morning, what did you remind yourself? I'm enough, I've always been enough, I'll always be enough. I'm a winner, I've always been a winner, I'll always be a winner. Listen, you gotta believe in you. If you don't, why should anybody else believe in you? We need to stay strong to who we are. We need to build character. Okay, that's one more for the back. I'm just gonna show you, if you need to comb it in, comb it in. I'm gonna comb it in because I want it everywhere nice and consistent throughout the whole hair. Because I love the next day, I can reactivate that curl. All right, so Formula 18 is what I'll reactivate the curl cream with tomorrow. But first, just get it all through there, at the top. Make sure all your product is evenly distributed. And now I'm gonna flip it over and get it dociled up. And then I'm only gonna blow dry the top. And then I'm done. And wait until you see how pretty it looks later. I'm gonna just scrunch this up more. See, if I take a towel and I scrunch up even more, it makes it more fun, loose, and wavy. I like very docile, loose. I don't like perfect hair. Never did. I love layers. I love the 80s. I love Farrah Fawcett. I used to love getting a perm, but I don't do them anymore. I just get the extensions that are curly, so it keeps my hair healthier. Okay, here we go. Get that back. Get those curls up. I want a little more right here. Good, hold it. Yeah, you can flip it over and just do it again if you wanted, but that should be good for me. And literally it will dry and it will puff out and look beautiful. All right, here we go. Now, if you needed some shine in there, you could always use oil. I'm not gonna because I wanted to it'll be shiny anyway because extensions are shiny, and my daughter highlighted it and colored it and it looks really good, and it has a lot of shine in it because of the blonde that she got, so I love it. All right, so I'm gonna take my bangs. How do I take my bangs? The smaller the brush, the more curl you'll get. The bigger the brush, the less curl you get, the straighter it'll be. But this is like a small medium. It is a size ceramic XL. Okay, and it says XL. And I see where I take that bang. So what am I doing there? I like to take a shape and get those to go up and under, and then I blow them out after. But I first put the shape in there and smooth out the bang so there's no frizz. Now I'm gonna take the next section back here. I'm gonna bring it forward up, I'm gonna get those ends, get those ends, and curl it back. Now see, I'm missing this little piece over here, so I really need to grab this and grab a little more right there. We're good. I gotta get this right here. I think this, we'll do it forward and back. I'm gonna get this piece. I'm going it up and a little bit under. I don't want it to put straight out. I want it to kind of go under. And I want it to blend right with my extensions. And it will. So I'm gonna take this one piece right here and go under with it and back. Now, why do I love to use a nozzle? A nozzle focuses that hot air right where I want it to go. See how it's gonna go beautiful? And then I'll do a little bit more right here. See, because that's still a little frizzy. I'm just gonna get that, but then all the rest of it's gonna curl up and look nice. All right. Yeah, it's gonna look cool. And that's a wrap. So I just wanted to show you how I do my hair, and I will take pictures of it after to show you how well that this stuff blends with it. You can always also just take some of the curls and let it dry like that. And then right here too, okay, you can always shake it a little bit just to make it a little looser and let those two dry. And you're gonna see it'll blend right in. So, and then you could use a little hairspray or a little texture spray. Okay, my favorite texture spray. I like texture spray better because it puts texture in that hair so it holds up better. And this is the texture spray. More than hairspray. You could really mold the hair the way you want it to go. And then you could spray it if you want it. You could tell it's getting too long. It's getting weighed down on that top. So I'm gonna do a haircut soon. Just gotta find the time. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one there. Now I'm just gonna show you the back too. Okay, you could always go here, get some so it stays fuller. Just feel that back. And then just scrunch it a little more. And that's good. All right, guys, stay tuned for the pictures after to show you when it's all dry. Have a great day. And don't forget, you're enough. You've always been enough. You'll always be enough. You're a winner. You've always been a winner. You'll always be a winner. And let's keep it real, because those are truths that you need to fill within so you don't go without. Carl Jung, I love it. He says, you must go within or else you'll go without. We need to pour into us. We pour into everybody else. And we got to stop talking bad to ourselves in the mirror. Terrible the things we'd say. We'd be pissed off and mad at somebody else if they said the things that we say to ourselves, if they said it to us. So remember that your word is your wand. Do and say good things about yourself. Have a great day, guys.